lwa miamwela kuzoa kwa mazimwangala a Bulozi elwikumusa kayona kinako hape lumitisizanga litukisoza Makande Mwa Silozi miluka kenela fela malitoho zepanga Makande. UPND MONGU ILILA LIFU labo Fred MASOKA. MANZWI yabo MAKAI ATISIZE MAIKUTO ASHUTANA mwa Bulozi. LIKWATA LIBILAEZWA ki BUPALELWI wa FRA KUZIBAHAZA LITEKO za MBONYI. Makande kakutala mubali kina Mike Moya. Vomwina spula kuyemela babancha makopano ya UPND mwa security sa MONGU batolokele bonyandi Fred MASOKA kuba baeteleli vao ne baveile kwa pili wiketo nilitakazo za babancha. Kwa mbola mwangambolo ni Bulozi TV volubinda imasiku babonsize kutomo hapilu bakensa LIFU la baba kweli babona kubatoloka kuba bene basina bwitati bao LIFU labona ki latehelo yetuna mwa security ni kopano. Zeo ni hali lichwalo vomwina spula kuyemela babancha mwakopano ya UPND mwa MONGU Central Constituents vo John Chinga bafitize manzwi ya kutomo hapilu kwa lubasi vaikelize kususweza babancha kuina batile manakoye.
The UPND in MONGU district is mourning the loss of its vice district youth chairperson Fred MASOKA, whose passing has been described as a significant loss to the party's youth wing. Those who worked closely with the late MASOKA say he was a dedicated and selfless leader who consistently placed the interests and welfare of the young people at the center of his leadership.
Lunaba UPND LIKWATA winonsi LILILA, the president wa LILILA, the provincial minister wa LILILA, the provincial chairman, ni party kaufya mwa Bulozi. Kimuna bekezi party na kwetelele. Ukaile musipili niena mwali politics mwa 2015 inge ruya mwa opposition inge wautamaka inge uzama ya moni mwale alusile chwana fausile gap yetu na mwa party nilisuba leo party really tiba lisuba leo aikache kwa ikamuso. So as a party luna likutoa ulwati keluluzi ngamutu ya narutusa.
Meanwhile, Youth Chairperson for MONGU Central Constituents, John Chinga, has expressed condolences to the family and urged the youths to stay strong during this period.
We lost that kind of people after suffering for so long. Started position. Now whereby now we are reaching to the ruling government, so that each and everyone should find some benefits. I'm still extending my deepest sorrow to the beloved family. He was our current soldier in the UPND sector, whereby he has fought a lot of battles, both from the opposition and the ruling. My message is to the remaining youths: let's be strong, we bury our brother, and let's put focus and encourage ourselves.
Fred MASOKA passed away on 13th July 2026 in Wanika General Hospital following a reportedly long illness. Mike Moya for Bulozi TV News in MONGU District, Western Province.
LIKWATA mwali politics bafitize MAIKUTO ASHUTANA kwa maana ni manzwi yao na Bulozi kiba ipapati kuyemela MONGU Central mwandu ya milao vo MAKAI kwa mbola kuli vaeteleli bakopano ya NRPUP vo Brian Mundubile ni kopano ya bona abasikamwelwa mwa MONGU. Baba ipapata kuyemela MONGU Central mwa kopano ya NRPUP vo tombi banyazize manzu ya kutalusa kuli akona kutisa mifilifili. Ni hakuli chwalo vomwina spula bakopano ya tonse pa Moz Alliance mwa Bulozi vo Glen Chingumbe bafile pizo kwa mapokola ni katengo ka Electoral Commission of Zambia ICZ kabukuswani kuinga muhato kaputako kubulera kuli manzwi yao akona kutisa mifilifili ni litaba za saluluti ya mishobo. Lokilwa bobeli baipapati makopana ya UPND MONGU Central bazusize manzwi ya mfuta wo sina mune kubezi kubo mutotwe kafaya.
Remarks by UPND parliamentary candidate for MONGU Central constituency, MAKAI, during a campaign rally in MONGU have sparked mixed reactions among political players in Western Province. MAKAI recently said in a video that is circulating on social media that the NRPUP presidential candidate Brian Mundubile and his team are not welcome in the province. He also said he cares less about those who support Mundubile. Reacting to the remarks, NRPUP parliamentary candidate for MONGU Central constituency, Bright Tombi, has condemned the comments, describing them as tribal and provocative, saying they risk inciting violence.
For being careless and for inciting people to turn against this Bulozi land into a territory of chaos, which we have enjoyed peace for a long time, we are not going to accept. And I condemn this to the highest order. I'm appealing that any normal human being of MONGU conscience should not adhere to that. Honorable Mundubile is a Zambian citizen. And since this country is a democratic dispensation, he has got the right to contest and compete with others.
And Tonse Pamodzi Alliance Provincial Chairperson Glenn Chingumbe agrees.
Someone seeking for public office is now the one he is threatening people with violence. He's the one saying he's going to deal with the people. How is he going to deal with them? The UPND talks of not condoning violence, but one wonders what it is that or why they are parliamentary candidates in MONGU Central is the one now calling for violence.
But UPND MONGU Central Youth Chairperson John Chinga is defending the statement, saying MAKAI was only airing his opinion.
He has not done anything wrong. He's right. He knows what he was talking about. So he is not about maybe some violence remarks, but it's just a call to those people who don't know about UPND government and its new dawn. This is the government, the ruling government. So MAKAI was trying to defend and to make Mr. Swinda in the straight line, whereby he should look back.
Meanwhile, Prince Akashamba Tolewanika said despite MAKAI's remarks, NRPUP party will go ahead with the campaigns in Western Province.
Well, we are prepared. We are campaigning. My program is to go to the Copper Belt, then proceed to Solwezi, then come to Lukulu, Kaoma, MONGU, Kalabo, Sinanga, Susheke, and end up in Livingstone.
Nchomonyasi Aminwe, Bulozi TV News, MONGU, Western Province.
Kwatasa Rural Electrification Authority RIA kabukusanisi bonsize nongosi kwa mananipalo yenyani ya vatu bao baingisa malaiti mabulozi. Kwatasa RIA status zekuli malapa akumafa 976 fela kiona akonile kuingisa malaiti ni hakuna nilikolo ze 100,000 ze filwe kwa bulozi. Litabaze nilitungu nyuzi mwa mkopano onovezi kwa sipatela sa Liwanika General Hospital MONGU la bubeli 14 July ka kwetelelwa kibahulu baskwatasa RIA mwa Southern bo wazingwa mugala. Mukopano no tali mafa kwa lunguta mabaka ao kuna nipalo yenyani mane ni kufitsa likalabo kwa matata.
The Rural Electrification Authority (REA) has expressed concern over the low uptake of electricity connections in Western Province, revealing that only 976 households have been connected despite 100,000 connection opportunities allocated to the province. Speaking during a stakeholders meeting at Lewanika General Hospital in MONGU, REA Southern Region Manager Engineer Waziga Mungala said the meeting was convened to identify the factors contributing to low uptake of electricity connection and to engage stakeholders on possible solutions to improve access to the national grid.
We as REA have a set target to increase access to electricity in the rural areas and achieving universal access by the year 2030. We've heard that we can't do this alone. We need collaboration, we need to engage with all the stakeholders in the province. As we are implementing these rural electrification projects, there are certain things that we do. What we want to see is a universal access. People have access to electricity. We implement these projects and connect so that all the rural areas in the province are connected.
Meanwhile, ZESCO Western Zone Engineer Operations Lloyd Daka said the low number of connections is not because residents cannot afford the 300 connection fee charged by ZESCO, but because many households lack the financial resources needed to wire their homes before they can be connected to electricity.
Maybe poles have been installed, the lines have been constructed, and people are not paying or are not connecting. It's basically an issue of sometimes people failing to do their wiring. So maybe we would ask that maybe for REA to include ready boards on this project, to install ready boards so that we can just be connecting that service cable.
And Western Province Administration Assistant Secretary Mobitelela Sililo said increasing access to electricity in the province is crucial, as it has the potential to unlock economic growth across key sectors including education, healthcare, agriculture, and small businesses.
For Western Province, increased access to electricity is critical. It has the potential to unlock growth in agriculture, agro-processing, fisheries, tourism, and small-scale enterprise development. These are key priority areas for our
Kutemba Kamije reporting for Bulozi TV News in MONGU, Western Province.
LIKWATA babonsize pilailo bakensati yeho yakatengo ka Food Reserve Agents FRA kabukusani kuzibahaza liteko za MBONYI ni buloto wa rice mwasilimo sa 2026 ni 2027 katengo ka Zambia National Farmers Union katalusize kuli tiyeho isihile balimi kukona kupumiwa kibaleki babaichemeze na hako lichwalo kopano ya Citizens First itolokile mwinelo kuba oswabisa kususweza muso kuzibahaza kaputako ili kubukeleza buino wa balimi ni kukutiseza sepo famsika.
Stakeholders have raised concern over the Food Reserve Agency's delay in announcing maize and paddy rice buying prices for the 2026-2027 marketing season. The Zambia National Farmers Union says it is disappointed that FRA did not announce the prices during its July 13th media briefing, despite expectations from farmers and earlier guidance from President Hakainde Hichilema. In a statement made available to Bulozi TV, Zambia National Farmers Union President said the delay comes at a time when farmers have recorded a bumper maize harvest of about 5 million metric tons, leaving them vulnerable to price price fluctuations, exploitations by private buyers, and cash flow challenges. The union, however, has welcomed FRA's position that the maize for the Strategic Food Reserve must meet moisture standards of below 12.5%, but has urged the agency to urgently announce buying prices, provide a clear procedure timetable and payment schedule. Meanwhile, the Citizens First Party has also raised concern over the delay, with its presidential media team member Bangwe Navile describing the silence as frustrating, calling on government to ensure prices are announced without further delay.
Fellow citizens, the delay in announcing the maize floor price is unacceptable. Our farmers are frustrated, uncertain, and vulnerable to exploitation by private buyers. The Food Reserve Agency's silence is eroding trust and weakening livelihoods. Citizens First and its president, President Harry Kalaba, we stand firm with our farmers. We demand swift action from government to protect the farmers by ensuring clarity. Farmers feed the nation. They deserve fairness, respect, and timely decisions.
Meanwhile, FRA board chairperson, during a media briefing on the 13th of July 2026, says maize purchases cannot begin until moisture levels fall to 12.5% or below, as buying grain with higher moisture content can lead to spoilage and aflatoxin development. He said the agency has completed preparations for the marketing season and will announce the prices once the necessary conditions are met. For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MONGU, Western Province.
Lukalishu musa ainyani mihaluka kuta lukazera pili matukusa yaluna.
For decades, Zambia has searched for its promise. Through triumph, sacrifice, and difficult seasons, many promised change. Many spoke of hope, but the burden remained heavy. And then, a servant of the people stepped forward. Not perfect, not a magician, but a man willing to lead his people through the wilderness toward a better Zambia. Like Moses leading his people toward the promised land. The journey was never meant to be easy, because nations are not built overnight. They are built through faith, sacrifice, and perseverance. The work is not finished, but Zambia is moving forward.
On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Hakainde Hichilema as President of the Republic of Zambia.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRSC and voters card ready.
Count me in.
Are you unhappy with our content? Do you have a complaint about a program or broadcast? We are committed to providing high-quality content as we strive to be the pride of Barose. In case you have a complaint against us, here's what you can do. Step 1. Email us directly at bulozitv@gmail.com or contact us on +26074 907921 or simply walk to the station in Mbuywana compound off Mbuywana Road, commonly known as Kagravyo Road in MONGU, Western Province, Zambia. We shall respond and resolve your complaint within 14 days. Step 2. If we are unable to resolve your complaint within 14 days, or in case you are not satisfied with our response, you may escalate your complaint to the Independent Broadcasting Authority, IBA, by contacting +26021 250584 or send an email to complaints@iba.org.zm or simply visit their offices on Ali Kinkato Road, Mass Media Complex in Lusaka, Zambia. Your feedback is important to us. By speaking up, you help us improve our content and provide better viewing experience for everyone. Contact us today to register a complaint. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barose.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in MONGU of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority IBA and carried by TopStar on DTT Channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921. or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in Mbuywana compound off Kagravyo Road in MONGU. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barotse.
Luitumezi kuinani lunami lwaikeza. Katengo ka Emerald and Semi-Precious Stone Mining Association of Zambia kafile kupo kwa likopano kubeya liluko la buyepi mwakuza maisa milao. Yezi eza liluko mwakuitamo wa likopano kwa pili. Kwa mbola kwa Bulozi TV, vaiteleli bakatengo ka bo Victor Kaleya batalusize kuli. Vaiteleli balikopano basonela kwambuka kufitsangalise piso za liluko layo na Emerald basikabuza kale LIKWATA ze utwisisa matata nilikolo maliluko le. Bo Kaleya baize litibahazo za likopano liswanela kufitelela bwipapati kono liswanela kubonsa lipona hazo za bao bainzi maliluko le.
The Emerald and Semi-Precious Stones Mining Association of Zambia, on behalf of gemstone miners, emerald miners here in Lufwanyama Emerald Restricted Area, would like to appeal to political players that as they want to make pronouncements on their agenda towards the emerald industry, they should not just make it rhetoric. It should be something that they have discussed with us and asked us and understand really what we need. We know that all the previous governments have failed us as emerald miners or gemstone miners because they hear or they want to put in action things that they feel is right for them, but they do not want to understand what we appeal of them to do for us to succeed. It's like we celebrate much more of foreign entities extracting our resources and exploiting our resource without any benefit. It is important and imperative that political players from the ruling party to any other political party aspiring to lead this country should understand that the resource that is in these grounds belongs to the people of Zambia. And if it belongs to the people of Zambia, we, the people of Zambia, need empowerment, and empowerment that is, that is able to help us contribute to the national coffers of this country. So we appeal to every political player that is making any pronouncement in terms of emerald mining or gemstone mining to consult us. We appeal that we have the answers. We have the, the way how we can improve this industry.
Katengo ka National Council of Student Unions na kosu kabukuswani kaketile mutompe hagainde hichilema mwaliketsa tuna zetaha kutalusa kuli milelo ya muso isupeza tuso yetuna kwa vaituti manahalote. Kwambola kwa babihi ba Makande Mwa Lusaka bang'oli babahulu bakatengo bo Vincent Sakala ba lumbeleta maiso ya UPND bakensa kuzibahaza litukiso za licho mwalikolo tuto ya kusalifa ni litukiso za babancha. Katengo ka baituti katalusize kuli puluko ya muso mwatuto ihakuluzima basi amangata kwa matata ya amana ni masherenge kanako yeswana ni kupanga likolo za babancha.
They are friends. Surely, Zambian people, isn't it an emotional topic that today we are seeing our young girl here who is a beneficiary of free education? Aside from that free education which they are benefiting from, the young person is also given school feeding program, which is giving them hope, renewed hope. An investment in the education sector is an investment in the economy of this country. An investment in the education sector is an investment in the health sector of this country. Yeah. For the first time in the history of this country, the mighty Levi University is receiving bursaries. Because the President of the Republic of Zambia has said, let us educate our nurses. Let us educate the young people who aspire to be doctors. Surely, members of the media, can't we for once, members of the public, can't we for once support such good initiatives? Some people, when the young people come out publicly like this, say we're endorsing the candidate of President Makande Chilema, they'll call them names at Takuta. Hey, Takuta, because we are being given meal allowances. Yeah. We are being given bursaries, which you, the same people, scrapped off from us. We cannot be coerced or moved by the noise which is being apparently purported on social media. Social media will not be persuaded from persuasion and lies. We are objective. We, the young people, today, we are union leaders across the country. Union leaders across the country. We are seated with our friends, whom the President of the Republic of Zambia has said, these are my friends. Members of the media, members of the public, are we going to be misled by the people who are telling us Vintu Vadula, Ungawadula, and people who removed skills training? Today, as we are speaking, if you go to on the copper belt, the mines have been revived.
Babuhi baluna likandelale likoni kulufitsa kwa mafelelezo atukse aluna mieluka ikupuza hape litoho zepanga Makande. UPND MONGU ILILA LIFU labo Fred MASOKA. MANZWI yabo MAKAI ATISIZE MAIKUTO ASHUTANA mu Bulozi. LIKWATA BUPALELWI KIBUPALELWI wa FRA KUZIBAHAZA LITEKO za MBONYI. Nditumezi mwakona kubuha tukso ye ndi tukso zaluna kaufela fa TopStar Channel 120 mwali bakaze sona sina MONGU limulunga nalolo Lusaka Chongwe Chilanga libakaze mu masenanga Kalabo Rufusa mane nilibaka zenzi mabapa kapa mwakona kulufumana falikepela luna la Facebook lona la Bulozi TV fapira bo manjinela kina Mike Moya minili kozo.